God, to Jacob Slavin, who should have been a Norris finalist on all of this alone of the low offensive zone success rates against him, the low like carry rates, the low board battle wins against him. And then you take all of that, you take into account he was a 30 plus point scorer and only took 8 fucking penalty minutes all season, which I believe this is the fourth time in his career he's had less than 10 PIMs in a fucking season. Like it's just it's quite frankly unfucking believable that there is a defenseman out there who plays within the rules and the confines of the game and is quite literally the single most effective defensive player in the sport.